In Malaysia, a former COVID-19 patient has shared his experience fighting the virus. He has contracted the virus after joining a dinner gathering. He does not have bad habits or 3 highs. However, when his condition worsened, he had to be intubated. He advised people not to underestimate the virus. He also hopes people who have contacted patients will truly quarantine themselves. Here's our report.
In fact, I follow pandemic prevention SOP, and I seldom join dinner gatherings. I joined once and contracted the virus. I went to a dinner gathering. One of my friends there has contacted a COVID patient. He did not tell us back then. Later, he told us that he has contracted the virus. So I went through a screening test. The result was negative. By Monday, my bones felt sore and I started to have a fever. Then I went to do a PCR test and the result was positive. From the first to the 6th day, I did not have much symptoms. I simply coughed and had a fever. However, by 2 a.m. on the 7th day, I started having difficulties breathing. So they sent me to the temporary hospital. The nurse and doctors there tried to save me. After half an hour, they sent me to ICU. Before I underwent intubation, the doctor let me Skype my family. When I saw my wife and children, I kept crying. My wife could not talk. My biggest son said 2 sentences to me, "Dad, are you recovering? When will you be discharged from the hospital?" Then I asked myself, do I want my 2 children to grow up without the father's companionship? I must battle against the virus no matter what. I must wake up. By the 2nd day, my inflammation index was still very high. On the 3rd day, my conditions have stabilized and my inflammation index started to decrease. On the 4th day, the doctor took out the intubation. My lungs have been damaged and the fibrosis level is about 27%. They help train my lungs. Gradually, my vital capacity has increased. I do not smoke or drink. I do not have 3 highs. But my conditions were still serious. I hope young people must learn to protect themselves and the elderly people at home. I hope people won't be selfish. If you contracted the virus or have contacted a patient, please quarantine yourself.